Okay, so the lower control arm has been installed, the new one. So I'll go back to this right here. Here's the old one right here. So it was bent really badly right here. As you can see, it was just when it was in the accidents, it pushed it backwards. And the hardest part about getting it out was because it was bent out of shape. I couldn't get it to pull out properly, so it took a little bit of pulling and struggling till it finally gave way. This part right here was stuck in the frame for a little bit, and you can see it tore the bushing when I was trying to get it out. This part obviously wasn't too hard. Down here, you look right here, you can see there's damage right there. So what happened was it got bent so badly that the bolt that goes in there, it holds it in place, I couldn't get it out. It was like wedged up against the this piece. That's why it looks like that. So I had to hammer it several times before it finally came free. So, but the nice thing was I had a brand new control arm, and as you can see, it went in without any problems. So there's the new control arm right here. It's bolted up in the back. There's the bolt in the back. And now that I got it in here, now the wheel turns. Oops. Was it turning? Okay, here we go. So it goes left and right, and I'm not seeing anything rubbing yet, but I'm not 100% sure, but it is moving, which it wasn't doing before at all. The bolt that is down here, there's the other bolt. That's the bolt on the other one that got stuck. But you can see the new control arm is in place. And the nice thing about it is when it went in, it didn't fight me at all. It just went right in. Unlike the other one when it came out, that one fought me to come out. So which indicates to me that there's no other damage under here on the frame, which I'm hoping there isn't, but I'm not 100% sure. But because the new one went in without any problems, I think it should be okay. Here's the other side. You can see it in there. The outer tie rod end that's still disconnected. I'm waiting for as you can see, I'm still waiting for the inner tie rod end, which snapped in two. So that was special order. It's going to be a couple days. I ordered it today, and it's going to be here in probably a little while. I purposely special ordered it because the local auto parts store wanted $60 for a no-name part, and I wanted Motorcraft or Moog. And Motorcraft was $45, and with shipping it still came less than the $60 for that, and Motorcraft is better than some no-name part. I didn't want it breaking. So once I get that in there, here's the lower ball joint was connected in, went in, didn't fight me too much. Once I get that in there, then I can make another video, if you like, showing the inner tie rod end. So go back here, pull it back. There we go. And right now it's looking pretty good. The wheel looks like, the rotor looks like it might be, it's hard to tell, but it looks like it might be a little crooked. But the wheel is but it is off the ground right now, so it's possible that because there's no weight on it, it might level back out. So I'm not 100% sure that there isn't any other structural damage in that way. But at the very least, once I get it back on there, I should be able to at least drive it around and move it around, because I wasn't able to move it at all. What I did was I took one of these. They're called a skate, and it's something that tow trucks use. There's actually two of them together. They're snapped together. And I tried to put the wheel on it, and I was hoping it would slide around, but it just didn't work right. So it's probably because the surface is not that good. But that's it for this video. Once again, if you want to see more, you let me know. Thanks.